time to linger with Linda. Love life, love cooking. Tell you a story first. Once I had this garlic bread in a pub. You know I go to pub, but not very often. I loved this garlic bread very much, but it's quite expensive. Like 3 pieces, about $8. And you think I can go to restaurant every day. I have to learn. I have to cook that by myself. So I learned this. Now I can go to restaurant every day. The restaurant just my kitchen. So I'm sure after this video, you also can go to restaurant to have this beautiful garlic bread every day. I'm sure. So just follow me carefully. Let's start cooking.
First, we need 3 typical ingredients to make the spreadable mixture: butter, garlic, and parsley. They get together, which produces wonderful taste. It's a simple dish, but these 3 things can make it really great, crispy, savory, delicious. Just worth to give it a try. Let's chop the garlic and parsley into the small pieces nicely. If you use the salted butter, maybe don't need the extra salt. It's up to you. Let's stir and mix them well. I like this job. It's so much fun, isn't it? Let's look at our bread. For garlic bread, my personal choice is white bread, but you can choose whatever you like. You can be the boss with your bread as well. Let's just spread the butter mixture on bread, only one side. I don't like spread the butter mixture on 2 sides. That would be too much. I like another side still plain. The magic time come. I'm so excited now. Let's just put the bread one by one in pan. First minute, we can use the high heat because our bread is still cool. Then we should turn the gas lower and watch and check them carefully. We like the beautiful golden brown color. We don't want to boil them, right? Now the color looks beautiful, just what we want, just what we like. So just flip up, fry another side. For another side, we just fry them about 1 minute or so. We don't want them become too dry. Just heat through them. Oh, smells so good. All done. It's happy time. My heart is singing. Can't wait. Yummy.